Rolling. Hey gang, this is Randy with Randog 1951. It is December 23rd, 2018. I've moved into my house out in northeastern Idaho, and I had expected something to break down. It was totally gutted and rebuilt, basically, leaving only the framing of two-dimensional lumber. The place was built in 1962, and the contractor didn't want to install a new garage door opener. However, he did install a new 17-foot garage door. It's an old, the opener was built in 1994. So I was hoping I'd get through the winter, but didn't make it. So I've been here about 3 weeks now, and the opener pooped out on me about 5 days ago. I called around and I called the fellow that installed the garage door, and for another chain drive, I believe it was a half horse with one remote control. I don't recall the name of it. Anyhow, he wanted $348 to R&R the garage door opener. So I shopped around a bit. I had decided on, I tried Home Depot, and they wanted over, they sub out, and they wanted over $400 plus tax. And I zeroed in on Lowe's. They had a special on a Genie. It's a belt drive. It's a 1 1/4 horsepower. Comes with a couple of remotes. And it was on sale from $188 down to $160 and some change. I had a 10% off that I received when I got my moving packet through the Postal Service, and I was able to apply that. So I ended up spending just about $160. I was going to have them install it. On their website, it said $119. Well, they don't have any installers. So here I am, giving you an update. I'm getting ready to remove the old one, and I'll show you what happened to the old one. Bear with me. Let's see. Okay, go up the ladder. Okay. Because this phone, well, the operator doesn't know how to work it, basically, and because the phone doesn't allow me to stop and then restart it, just close your eyes for 2 seconds, and I'm going to turn you around, and hopefully I'll get the shot in. Okay. All right. Hopefully you can see that. There's the gear. And then you have a worm drive gear. I don't know whether you can see it or not. Over there. And basically, this is worn out. It's nylon. And it's stripped out. Now, the date this thing was made or installed, possibly close to October of 1994. So it lasted a while. Too bad it couldn't last another 6 or 7 months so we could get into the spring or summer. Hang on, close your eyes for 2 seconds. Here we go, loop-de-loop. Here we are. Okay, so that's it. I try to keep my videos short. I just wanted to mention one thing. It's roughly, let's see. It says it's 30, it's up to 34 degrees now. You can see that. Okay. Or 32, something like that. Anyway, there's a young couple building a house out here in Idaho. They're heating their place with one heater at the time. They're doing a remarkable job. You might want to check them out. It's Pure Living for Life. I've been following them for almost 3 years now. And they're doing a great job. What a team they are. I wish them all more success. And I'm going to try and Facebook message them if they're still on Facebook. But I was going to suggest this. When I first moved over to Eastern Washington from the greater Seattle area, I ended up in a farmhouse that had been remodeled, but it was cold. And so in the morning, I was a contractor for a number of years. And when I built my homes, I've only built 2, but that's more than many. I picked up a, I don't know what you call them, rocket heaters. They're powered with electric and propane. So I used it a lot, getting both homes warmed up amongst Orly oil heaters and you name it. Anyway, I'm going to turn this off in a minute. I want to show you this heater first. Maybe they'll see this. It's called an All Pro 50,000 to 85,000 BTU /HR. So I'm thinking that might be a per hour. And that farmhouse I was talking about, I could fire this puppy up. It was a 3-story basement, main floor, attic converted into an apartment. And within 10 minutes, I had it up from 60 degrees to right around 75 on the main floor. And maybe the kids will see this and possibly get themselves one. It's a headache with the propane, but the Walmart charges $14.92 I paid for this 20-gallon. I think it's a 15-gallon. Anyway, your standard barbecue propane tank. And it was 32. I had her fired up yesterday, but I ran out of propane. I had taken it off of my barbecue, but it heated it up fast. So I just want to show you what it looks like real quick. Okay, hold your eyes, or shut your eyes. Here we go. Okay. There it is, right there. And my tank. I'm going to fire this puppy up. And maybe I'll post another video once she's running, and we'll go from there. Okay, close your eyes. Open your eyes. Thank you. I just don't want to get you dizzy. Okay, this has ran way too long. So, y'all take care. Be safe. And have a happy holiday. And if you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas. And we'll see you next time. Please give it one of these and share. Let's see. Recommended channels. Scotty and He's been a mechanic. He's been working on cars for over 51 years. Very knowledgeable. I've learned a lot from him. Let's see, Pure Living for Life with Jamie and Alyssa. And they've been building their home in Idaho up here somewhere for the past 3+ years. And they're just now moving into not a finished house, but livable. And they're making it work for them. I'm very happy for them. I know the feeling. I've been there, done that. And let's see another one. The Fauchomatic, but that was another homesteading couple and 3 kids, but they've stopped posting, I'm sad to say. I hope they start again. And there's a few others, but that's it for now. I'm going on 11 minutes and we'll stop. Okay. Be safe and take care.